Latte makeup is the vibe right now. Let's get into it. Start with a BB cream and a really hydrating setting spray. I like a dewy one on my beauty blender. Then go in with your concealer, lighten up anywhere that you want to brighten up. Blend, blend, blend. Now I like to sculpt out my face using a contour stick, which I use for pretty much all of this latte makeup look. It's the perfect bronzy coffee glow. The button nose just makes it so snatched. Between every step, I missed a bunch with a really dewy hydrating setting spray. It is seriously the key to make everything blend seamlessly. The button nose, eye lift, and lip contour is a key staple for my look, but then I added some extra bronzer and a shadow stick in my lids with some more bronzer on top. To really define my eyes, I'm going to take an angled eyeliner brush and dip that in my contour stick, wing it out a little bit, grab a brown eyeshadow. I'm trying to look like a warm cup of coffee with just like a splash of creamer, so I went in pretty dark to really get defined. Filled in my brows and fluffed them up. Then I did my splash of creamer with a really pearly highlight, just kind of in the high points. Fluff, 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 and tame the brows, curl the lashes, line the lips with a nude and my contour stick. Now for my new go-to lash combo. It just gives natural but drama. Then I added some freckles, and that is the whole look. I'm obsessed.